Want to showcase your content in a dynamic and interactive way on your WordPress site? In this video, we are exploring the Carousel Anything block from Next Blocks. Perfect for creating versatile sliders that can display images, videos, or any content you choose. Whether you are highlighting products, testimonials, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing your carousel. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Nextblock Pro plugin, go to Nextblock, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here, select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Nextblocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the Nextblock Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the Carousel Anything block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then go to Blocks and search for Carousel Anything. This is a block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the Carousel Anything block from Nextblocks. The Content tab, you have to use these repeater items under the Slide section to create the slide of your slider. Let's see the option you will find in these repeater items. In the title field, you can add a title for the repeater item. This will not show in the slide. From the Content type section, you can add content in two different ways. You can use pattern or editor. Let's see the editor option first. If you select editor, you can use any block to create the slide content. As you can see, we have used heading animation block, button, all sorts of blocks to create this slide. Now let's see the pattern option. If you select the pattern, then you have to select a pattern from this select pattern drop down. If you don't have any pattern yet, you can click on this create pattern button to create a pattern. From the backend visibility toggle, you can show the pattern over here. By default, it will be disabled to improve the editing experience. Once you enable it, you can see the pattern preview over here. Keep in mind, here it will display just one pattern for all the slides. It will show properly in the front end only. Also, in repeater items, you cannot mix pattern and editor content type. You have to use only one content type. Then you can click on the Add Slide button to create more slides. From the Carousel Transition section, you can add slide transition or you can add fade transition. From the layout section, you can set the slider to horizontal or vertical. This is the horizontal slider. Let's say the vertical option. This is the one. This is how the vertical slide will look. Then from the column section, you can set how many columns will display in one slide. You can set these numbers for responsive devices as well. Then in the carousel layout section, you will find more options. From the active slide drop down, you can select any particular slide to be active by default. From the next previous section, you can slide one column or you can slide all visible columns at once. From the column gap section, you can add spacing between the columns. From the slide speed section, you can adjust the slider speed. From the center mode toggle, you can adjust the center position of your slide. From here, you can add center padding. You can add effect to the center slide. You can add scale effect or shadow. Then you can add opacity to the normal slider to differentiate the active and normal slide. From the trim space toggle, you can trim the space. In the Carousel Options tab, you will find carousel related options. By enabling the wheel navigation toggle, you can change the slide with your mouse wheel. You can enable the wait for transition toggle to change the slide only when the transition finishes. By enabling the keyboard navigation toggle, you can change the slide with keyboard arrows. From the overflow hidden toggle, you can hide overflow. From the random order toggle, you can show the slide randomly. From the autoplay toggle, you can autoplay the slide. From the autoplay speed, you can adjust the speed. You can make the slider draggable by enabling the draggable toggle. From the infinite mode toggle, you can make the slide loop infinitely. By enabling the pause on hover toggle, you can pause the slider on mouse hover. From the auto scroll toggle, you can add an auto scroll to the slide. From the speed, you can adjust the speed of this scrolling. Then from the dots and arrow tab, you can add the navigation of the slider. From the dots toggle, you can add dots navigation. From the dot style, you can select different predefined style for the dot. From the border color, you can adjust the border color. From above spacing, you can adjust the spacing above the dots. By enabling the on hover dots toggle, you can show the dots only on mouse hover. From the arrows toggle, you can add arrow navigation to the slider. From the arrow style, you can select arrow style. Then you can adjust the background color, icon color, hover icon color. By enabling the outer arrows, you can place the arrows outside the slider. By enabling the on hover arrows, you can show the arrows on mouse hover only. From the Carousel Remote Sync ID tab, you can connect the Carousel Anything block with different blocks from Next blocks like Tab Stores block, Process Steps block, Accordion block, or Carousel Remote block. Let's see how you can connect Carousel Anything block with the Carousel Remote block. For this, you have to add both the Carousel Remote block and Carousel Anything block on the same page. Once you have created the slides in your slider, in the Unique ID field, you have to add an ID. Then go to the Carousel Remote block. In the Connection tab, you have to add the same ID in the Unique Carousel ID field. Then from the previous next button toggle, if you select button, you have to select this Carousel option. Or you can add dots navigation. Keep in mind, if you select this dots navigation, you have to add the same number of repeater item as you have in your slider, like this. Then in the repeater item, you can adjust the setting as per your requirements. And now let's see how it looks. So this is how you can create beautiful sliders with the Carousel Anything block from Next Blocks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.